Topping our news here at 6 o'clock, state leaders say this week could bring even more changes to California's blueprint for reopening its economy. The update will all allow counties to move to less restrictive tiers more easily. 17's Ashley Zavala is in our Capitol Bureau tonight to explain what's driving that decision and when the update is coming.
California leaders are set to likely announce this week rule changes that will make it easier for counties to move into the state's less restrictive orange and yellow tiers. The tiers allow for the reopening of the majority of businesses and activities with expanded capacity. As of Monday, most of California remains in the red tier, allowing for businesses to open with minimal capacity. The relaxation of rules will be triggered once 4 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been distributed to the least healthy zip codes across the state. As of Monday, state data showed 3.96 million doses have been distributed. Right now, the orange tier requires counties to have COVID-19 case rates between 1 to 3.9 per 100,000 people, and the yellow tier to have case rates less than 1. Once the 4 million doses are distributed, the orange tier will require case rates between 2 to 5.9 per 100,000 people, and the yellow tier to have case rates less than 2.
The tiers will be a little bit more permissive.
After announcing Friday that large gatherings, live performances, conferences, and receptions are allowed later this month, officials said the state is working on an even less restrictive green tier.
That additional guidance is coming soon, and that will provide a lot more information about when we get past the blueprint altogether. Getting past the blueprint will still take more time and more vaccinations and continuing to monitor the infection rates and the trends, but we will provide that roadmap.
State officials say that new roadmap could be out in the coming days. Reporting in Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, 17 News.